We all know the 9-to-5 grind, the steady paycheck, the health insurance, the paid time off. It's the picture of stability, the foundation of a comfortable life, right? Well, hold on a second there, because there's a hidden cost to this. Comfort zone. A silent thief that can leave many 9-to-5ers financially stagnant, even broke. This thief isn't a greedy boss or a rigged minimum wage system. It's a mindset shift, a subtle change in perspective that the stability of a 9-to-5 job can sometimes create. Let's unpack this and explore the 9 key reasons why a 9-to-5, while offering comfort, can also be a roadblock to financial freedom. Reason number 1, the false sense of security. That regular paycheck feels like a safety net, doesn't it? Benefits, health insurance, a predictable income stream. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking, I'm good, this will always be here. But friends, life has a way of throwing curveballs. Companies downsize, industries shift, and sometimes that comfy job vanishes faster than free donuts in the break room. Here's the thing, very few jobs are guaranteed forever. Remember the rise and fall of BlackBerry phones? Blockbuster Video? These were once giants in their respective fields, offering seemingly secure employment to thousands. Suddenly, technological advancements rendered their products obsolete, and those jobs disappeared. This doesn't mean you should live in constant fear. It simply means you shouldn't mistake comfort for security. The key is to build your own financial safety net. An emergency fund with 3-6 months of living expenses can be a lifesaver if you face unexpected unemployment or medical bills. Think of it as a financial parachute, a backup plan that gives you peace of mind and the freedom to weather unexpected storms. Reason number 2, the predictability trap. The glorious paycheck. You know exactly how much money will hit your account every month. This predictability is a double-edged sword. It allows you to budget and plan, but it can also lull you into complacency. Suddenly, that predictable paycheck becomes your entire financial plan. People get comfortable spending every cent, leaving no room for savings or unexpected expenses. It's like living on a financial tightrope. One misstep and you're toast. But what if your car breaks down? What if your fridge decides to take a permanent vacation? And let's face it, appliances rarely retire gracefully. Unexpected expenses are a fact of life, and without a financial buffer, they can derail your entire budget. The predictability trap also breeds procrastination. You think, hey, I've got a steady income, I'll save later. But that later mentality is a recipe for financial stagnation. It's like saying, I'll start exercising tomorrow, and never actually lacing up your sneakers. Reason number 3, the procrastination problem. Here's an analogy. Imagine 2 people climbing a mountain, one with a clear plan, supplies, and a map, the other with just a granola bar and a vague idea of which way is up. Who do you think will reach the summit faster? The same goes for financial goals. Having a plan and taking action early is key. Don't wait for a crisis to light a fire under you. Start by setting clear financial goals. Do you want to save for a down payment on a house? Pay off student loans? Travel the world? Once you know your destination, you can chart a course and start taking steps towards it. This could involve setting up automatic transfers to your savings account, reducing unnecessary expenses, or exploring ways to increase your income. Reason number 4, the single stream squeeze. Beyond the paycheck, 9-to-5s can lock you into a single income stream. Think about it. Your earning potential is tied directly to the hours you work. Get sick? No work, no pay. This vulnerability is why creating multiple income streams is so important. We're not talking about quitting your day job and becoming a professional juggler. Although, hey, if that's your passion, more power to you. But consider side hustles, investing in index funds, or anything that generates income outside your 9-to-5. Here's the beauty of multiple income streams. They act like a hedge against unexpected events. If your main source of income takes a hit, you have other options to fall back on. It's like building a financial immune system. The more diverse your income streams, the stronger your financial health. Think about it this way. What if your employer decided to outsource your position overseas? With a side hustle or a passive income source, you wouldn't be left completely out in the cold. It could buy you valuable time to find a new job, learn new skills, or even pursue your entrepreneurial dreams. Here are some ideas for creating multiple income streams that fit your lifestyle and skill set. Offer your skills, writing, editing, coding, and graphic design on freelance platforms. Start an e-commerce store, create an online course, or launch a blog with monetization options like affiliate marketing. While investing in stocks and real estate require more capital upfront, consider index funds, a low-cost way to invest in a diversified basket of stocks and bonds. Do you have a spare room or a vacation property? Renting it out can generate passive income. Reason number 5, the time crunch thief. Speaking of time, 9-to-5s can gobble up all your free time. Let's be honest, that 9-to-5 label is a myth. Factor in commutes, getting ready, and that unpaid lunch break, and you're looking at more like a 7-to-7 situation. This leaves little room for personal development, learning new skills, or pursuing a side hustle that could lead to financial freedom. Remember, the wealthy don't just trade time for money. They leverage their time to create opportunities and build wealth. They invest in themselves by learning new skills, attending workshops, or reading books on financial literacy. This allows them to climb the financial ladder and eventually reach a point where their money works for them, not the other way around. Here's the challenge. How can you reclaim your time? In a world that seems designed to keep you busy, track your activities for a few days to see where your time actually goes. You might be surprised how much time gets eaten up by mindless scrolling or unproductive meetings. Once you know where your time goes, identify the activities that are truly important and eliminate the time wasters. Can you delegate some of your work tasks or automate repetitive chores? Freeing up even a few hours a week can make a big difference. Reason number 6, the comfort cage. Finally, the comfort of a 9-to-5 job can breed fear of change. As you climb the corporate ladder, that paycheck and those benefits start to feel pretty sweet. The comfort can morph into a fear of taking risks or pursuing something new. It's the classic, better the devil you know scenario. But here's the thing. Sometimes the biggest breakthroughs happen outside your comfort zone. Think about it. Most successful entrepreneurs didn't get there by playing it safe. They took risks, faced failures, and learned from them. They didn't let the fear of the unknown hold them back from pursuing their dreams. Don't let the golden handcuffs of a stable job clip your wings and prevent you from soaring towards your true financial potential. Remember, financial freedom isn't just about having a lot of money. It's about having options, about having the freedom to choose how you spend your time and live your life. So what can you do? What are you truly passionate about? Could you turn that passion into a side hustle or even a full-time business? Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone and take calculated risks. Research your options, create a plan, and then take the leap. Never stop learning and growing. Invest in yourself by acquiring new skills and knowledge. That can help you achieve your financial goals. The 9-to-5 job can be a great foundation, but it shouldn't be the only brick in your financial house. By recognizing the limitations of a single income stream and the potential pitfalls of the comfort zone, you can take proactive steps to build a more secure and prosperous future. Remember, financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and a commitment to learning and growing. But with the right mindset and strategies, you can break free from the illusion of the 9-to-5 and unlock your true financial potential. So, take control of your finances, invest in yourself, and start building the life you desire. Reason number 7, the limited upside potential. One of the inherent limitations of a 9-to-5 job is the capped earning potential. While some professions offer salaries that climb significantly with experience and seniority for many jobs, raises are incremental and predictable. This can be particularly frustrating for high performers who consistently deliver exceptional results. In the world of entrepreneurship or even freelancing, your income is directly tied to your effort and hustle. You put in the extra hours, take on challenging projects, and deliver outstanding results, and your income can reflect that. This uncapped potential for growth can be a powerful motivator for those seeking financial freedom. However, it's important to acknowledge that the entrepreneurial path also comes with its own set of risks and challenges. There's no guarantee of success, and it often requires a significant investment of time and resources up front. The key takeaway here is to be aware of the limitations of a traditional 9-to-5 career path when it comes to maximizing your earning potential. Reason number 8, the stifled creativity drain. Many 9-to-5 jobs can feel creatively stifling. You follow a set routine, complete prescribed tasks, and adhere to strict guidelines. While there's value in structure and efficiency, this lack of creative freedom can be draining for individuals with innovative ideas and a desire to make a bigger impact. Financial freedom opens the door to explore your creative side and build a career around your passions. This could involve starting a business that allows you to express your creativity and solve problems in unique ways. The sense of ownership and fulfillment that comes from creating something of your own can be incredibly rewarding, even if the financial rewards take time to develop. Reason number 9, the health hustle. Let's face it, the stress and long hours associated with many 9-to-5 jobs can take a toll on your health. Sitting for extended periods, unhealthy eating habits fueled by convenience, and the constant pressure to perform can all contribute to a decline in physical and mental well-being. Financial freedom can empower you to prioritize your health and well-being. Imagine being able to design a work schedule that allows for time for exercise, healthy meal prep, and activities that reduce stress. While financial freedom doesn't guarantee perfect health, it allows you to make choices that support a healthier lifestyle. Remember, financial freedom isn't about getting rich quick or quitting your job tomorrow. Unless you've got a solid plan B, of course. It's about building awareness, developing a plan, and taking action. Start by exploring your options, learning new skills, and creating multiple income streams. Invest in yourself, embrace calculated risks, and prioritize your well-being. With the right mindset and strategies, you can break free from the illusion of the 9-to-5 and unlock your true financial potential. Now, if you want to learn how to achieve financial success, then watch this video next. And if you made it to this point of the video, please like and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.